Today we're going to do another YouTube challenge video. And the challenge is to guess what is hidden. So my friend Thea, she's coming on again today for another YouTube video. And I have 5 items and she's going to guess them. So let's get started. Put on your blindfold.
Yeah, that's dangerous.
Guess what it is.
Is it a joke?
The phone! Next item.
I'm good at this. It's a picture?
No.
A piece of paper?
No.
Ooh.
Come on, it's crisp.
Crisp?
Crisp. Crisp.
$1.
Mhm.
A basketball.
And the final item.
Your bra.
Okay. Reusable top of the box. So easy. What is this? Hold
You can't open
on.
it.
Rubber band wrap. Glasses.
Easy.
Ooh, socks.
They smell good to you.
Mm-hmm. Concludes our video. That's it. It's very study.
No, I want to see it.
Okay. Thank you again, Thea, for coming on. This was an awful challenge. See you again.